Here we are, guys. Our own deserted island. It's no longer deserted because we're here. Perfect day to paddle. Perfect day to explore. You can see how low the water level is. We're gonna walk around this entire island, find a good little spot for lunch. So normally this is separated by water. A couple guys fishing. Nice little campsite here. A couple little campsites. So I don't know if this island has a name. I have to check, maybe put that at the end of the video or something. See, this is it, guys. This is exploring. This is what it's all about. This is what I love. This is why I kayak. Not that this is some remote destination, but you gotta admit, for a weekday, taking a day off of work, it's pretty cool. You see, there's not a lot of beach over here. And here we are, the other side of the island. Perfect place to have lunch. Alright guys, so this is lunch. I'm going to have a soda and some chicken, and I'll get back with you in a little bit. Peace out. Alright guys, we finished lunch. Just got a visit from a couple park rangers. I think they just wanted to make sure I wasn't camping out here. Evidently, you're not supposed to camp out here. So makes a great campground, I'll tell you that. But there are designated camping spots around Lake Lanier, and this is not one of them. You can tell folks are camping here. Gotta say, it's a good little spot. Even looks like someone's carved their initials in this tree behind me. CS. Pretty cool little island. I am gonna have to look up that name if there is one. And you can tell on the map and just by looking at this, it's only connected by, not connected by land. Alright. Got a couple guys fishing. See behind me. Alright, well it's time to get back on the water. Let's do it.